Kina says if the proposed acquisition of Westpac is approved, a new independent brand will be created to compete vigorously with existing commercial banks, BSP, ANZ and Kina. The new bank will focus specifically on financial inclusion, MSME and the commercial segments of both PNG and Fiji. Kina says this multi-brand approach will improve competition, improve customer choice and lower the cost of banking. Additionally, Kina says the proposed acquisition includes branch and in-store network expansions, giving access to harder-to-reach communities, zero job losses, and no changes to systems or processes with no disruption to customers. Kina says they will be better positioned to drive innovation and introduce more choices through fee-free banking options, a new suite of world-class digital products and services, and repricing business lending, making it cost-effective for business customers to access funding. The newly branded independent bank will be governed by an independent PNG-based board of directors, and there will be opportunities for anyone in PNG to invest and participate in its ownership through Kina Securities Limited. On March 17th, the Independent Consumer and Competition Commission received an authorization request from Kina Securities Limited seeking approval for the proposed acquisition of 89.91% of shares in Westpac PNG. ICCC Commissioner and Chief Executive Officer Paulus Ayn on March 26th called for public comments and submissions from relevant key stakeholders and individuals on this application. Ayn says the ICCC does not decide who acquires or sells businesses, but only decides on the grounds of competition and public benefit effects the acquisition may have on consumers, businesses and the public. Kina Bank argues that the multi-brand approach has a well-established precedent globally and there would be no lessening of competition or prospect of a duopoly or market dominance. Cedric Pajole, TVWAN News.